today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search for events quickly in Google Calendar. Being able to find events fast is really important, especially when your calendar starts to fill up with meetings and appointments and reminders. Instead of scrolling through days or weeks trying to spot something, Google Calendar has a built-in search tool that makes this much easier. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you step by step on how to use that search feature so you can jump straight to the event you need. First, open Google Calendar in your web browser and make sure you're signed into the correct Google account. Once your calendar loads, look toward the top of the page. In the upper area, usually on the right-hand side, you'll see a small magnifying glass icon. This is the search icon. This search tool works across your events, reminders, and tasks that are visible in your calendar. Go ahead and click on that magnifying glass. As soon as you click it, a search bar will appear across the top. You'll notice that your cursor is already active inside the search box, which means you can start typing right away. Now, type the title of the event you're looking for. Try to enter a word or phrase that you know is part of the event name. For example, if you're looking for a team meeting, you can start typing the word meeting or the specific title you used when you created the event. You don't have to type the full name perfectly. Google Calendar will search for any events that match what you've entered. As you type, Google Calendar will automatically show a list of results just below the search bar. These results usually include the event title, the date, and the time. Take a moment to look through these suggestions. If you see the event you want, click on it. When you click on a result, Google Calendar will immediately jump to that date and open the event details, so you can review the time, description, guests, and any other information you saved. If you don't see the event right away, try adjusting the words you're using in the search box. You can try different parts of the title or something you remember typing in the event. The more specific you are, the easier it will be for Google Calendar to find it, and that's all there is to it. By using the search icon and typing in the event title, you can quickly locate any event in your Google Calendar without having to scroll through your schedule manually.